3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on this 2004 Corvette. It looks pretty badass. It's yellow. I think the Corvette looks really good in this color just because it's, I don't know, it's freaking yellow. You don't see it often. So what we'll be doing is a paint correction, polish up the exhaust tips right there, looking a little you know, not so good. Clean the wheels up, probably put a protectant on it, so I'm gonna be putting on Polish Angel Super Sport. Keep the wheels coated, make it a little bit easier to clean for the owner. Clean this side up a little bit. You can see it's looking pretty crazy. What else? I'm gonna be removing some of the stickers right here and back here. I'm gonna be removing that. And finally, this black trim right here, it's seen better days. I'm gonna see what I can do with this wiper blade, if I can get it back to looking good. I know for sure this black trim here, I can get it to look good again. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this wheel is practically clean. There's just a small spot right here that's not coming off. So I'm going to try to use a clay bar, see if I can get it off. Because this guy paid a lot of money for this detail. So nothing will leave unturned. I'm going to try everything I can to make this thing look like it did when it rolled off the lot in 2004. I think it's working. Yes, it's freaking working. Look at all the stuff that I pulled from it. Look, we're almost there. Just gotta keep cleaning it. And before you know it, this wheel is gonna look like it's brand new almost. This is the kind of detail you get if you drop it off here at Lumen Detailing. Just stuff like this. I know some people might say that, oh, you can barely tell if you're far away, but nah, I can tell. If I see it, I can never unsee it. So that's why this wheel's gotta look freaking spotless, man, because putting my name on there, putting my mark on the car, essentially showing you know, the capabilities of Lumen Detailing, what we're about, and this is what we're about. Freaking perfection, man. See, it looks freaking perfect now. Probably gonna polish it up a little bit with microfiber and then some compound, and just try to make it pop a little bit. The guy didn't pay for that, but just one of those things I like to do. Just go above and beyond. Like, if this is my car, if I bought this, these are the things I would be doing. And that's what you get for coming here. lumen detailing. All right, as you can see, I'm washing each wheel twice. This is the second wash of this. I'll show you how the other side looks like, actually. So this one we washed twice. You saw that on video. If you compare it to this, dude, look at the difference. This thing hasn't been washed or deeply cleaned, rather, in like, it's gotta be years, man, because some of this is like really in there. Even when I put my finger on there, it's still dirty. Like, that's nuts. That's why I'm gonna hook them up with a sealant for the wheels, a wheel coating from Polish Angel. Hopefully keeps the wheel clean a little bit longer, because these are in actually really good condition. For 2004, there's like no major rashes. So that's a testament to how the previous owner took care of the car. So I want to keep that up. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this done here. All right, check out these wheels now. Looking pretty good. Check out the other front wheel. Man, you could really tell the difference. All right, next we're gonna spray the car with Iron X Snow Soap, which is just the foam Canon version of Iron X. It's a lot easier to foam the entire car with this, I think, and it does do its job of decontaminating the car. I know some people have had issues with it in the past. Personally, I've never had issues with Iron X Snow Soap, so I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but it is pulling a lot of iron particles from all over the car. So that's the first step of iron decontamination. Luckily, it's pretty overcast today, no crazy sunshine. So we're gonna be able to let this sit longer than usual, let it do its thing. See, it's pulling it all up. All that stuff you couldn't even see, so you have to do an iron decon to get all this stuff out. And what a ceramic coating will do is make sure that these iron particles stick onto the coating itself and not the clear coat, because if it sticks to the clear coat, then it's going to cause it to corrode and your paint won't look good anymore, and then you're going to be sad. Alright, we're doing another foam rinse, this time with D-scale. There was a lot of buildup down here and down here. So we're trying to get all that stuff loosened up before we do the contact wash, because we don't want to add work for ourselves. But yeah, looking pretty good so far. Yeah, this stuff right here, man, that stuff is going to be hard to take out. But once we get this ceramic coated, it's going to be super easy to clean in the future. Especially down here, kicks up a lot of dirt, so you get stuck down there. So, yep. Alright, so the car is now fully decontaminated, dried up. We're going to pull it into the garage, inspect it, and see how much of it we need to correct based on, you know, initial impressions. Take a look at it, get a light. But as you can see, all the dirt that was here is gone now, so we're going to be able to polish this side up without interruption from contaminants. The wheels look good. We're going to coat the tires with CarPro Dark Side, so we're gonna pull it in, put it on, go from there. All right, man, this thing is pretty sweet. It smells like an old school car in here, man. So nice. All stock? No way. No way. Stock exhaust, I think. So we're gonna condition these seats. Hold on, let me move the car, get it in the garage, go from there. I don't know if you can see this, but it has a heads-up display from 2004. That's freaking nuts. All right, next step, we're gonna blow out all the crevices so water doesn't come out when we start doing the paint correction, because it's gonna be vibrating and stuff. You don't want water coming out and interfering with your work. So here we go. So the paint's in pretty good condition, nothing crazy. I mean, for a 2004, man, this thing looks pretty good. I'm just gonna try out CarPro yellow foam pad and Ultra Cut. Yeah, this side's gonna be pretty easy because it's like a flat surface, so you can use a 6-inch polisher, and I think for almost the entire car you can use a 3-inch or a 6-inch polisher. Probably 3-inch in some areas, but yeah, it's in really good shape. So we'll get started and cut. So you can see this thing looks pretty damn good now compared to here. You can see, well, I don't know if it captures on camera well, but compared to this test panel, freaking amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. Yellow foam pad from Rupes, and then Ultra Cut from CarPro. All right, we're changing it up. Found a combo that works a little bit better, which is the Rupes blue microfiber pad and CarPro Ultra Cut. So earlier we were using the yellow foam pad with clear cut. It was working pretty good, but not enough, like not good enough for my liking. So now, if you look here, it's like completely 99% perfect, maybe 98. But if you could tell here, that's like corrected. Yeah, this area is corrected. This area is not. If it captures on camera compared to here, man, it just looks so much better. So yeah, we're gonna keep going, finish the car up, and get this thing ceramic coated. All right, so this car is practically done. Just working on a couple more sections on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and apply dark side onto the tires, and then it should look pretty good. Put some Super Sport for the wheels, keep it protected a little bit, and then dark side for the tires. All right, for this plastic trim, we're using Polish Angel Black Bond, and you could really see the difference. It's like all faded over there, and then you come over here, it looks really damn good. We're gonna do that for the black trims around the car, make it look good, brand new, or close to new. All right, so part of the car has been ceramic coated with DQuartz. It's pretty easy to use so far. Wipes off pretty easily. You can tell it's ready to wipe off. It turns to like a rainbow kind of color, kind of like the old formula, but this one you just need one coat. It lasts like 3 to 5 years, I think. I gotta double check to see, but yeah, so far the gloss that it adds is freaking nuts. Alright, so when you apply a ceramic coating, you kind of just want to do it panel by panel. You don't want to do like the entire car and then wipe it off, because it cures and then you gotta wait for it to when you apply, you gotta wait for it to cure, right? And then you gotta buff it off and make sure that you don't have any high spots, which is like the residue from ceramic coating, and it leaves like a rainbow or hazy finish. So if you miss that and then you see it the next day and the coating's already cured, well, guess what? You're gonna have to freaking polish that thing off. You can't just wipe it off because it's hardened already. So just something to keep in mind when you're doing a ceramic coating. Like this area right here, there was some that I left over. So imagine if you find something and you've already finished the entire car. Well, then that panel's already partly cured, and you don't know if you're gonna need to polish it off or not. So work slow, work in small increments. It'll get the job done faster. Alright guys, car is ceramic coated. It is 11:48 p.m. So we've been working on this for a better half of the evening. Yeah, man, look at that gloss. This thing is crazy looking. So tomorrow we'll pull it out of the garage. We're gonna let this cure overnight. Yeah, no high spots. Checked, double checked, triple checked. This thing is looking pretty damn good. Oh, and we removed the stickers right here. And the other sticker that was here was like a 20-year-old sticker. So man, it was so crusty when we were taking it out. It was like breaking into a million pieces. But yeah, man, that looks crazy. Alright guys, it's been about 10 hours since the car was ceramic coated last night. And here it is, the big reveal. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this Corvette was pretty fucking fun to work with. The paint was somewhat difficult to correct, but it came out really, really good. So if you like this video, I don't know, subscribe if you want. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Alright, see you later.